Did you know that top brands across India are literally waiting to give you free coffee, birthday cakes, beauty products, and shopping discounts on your birthday? Most people assume you can just walk into any store on your birthday, show your Aadhaar card, and get free stuff. But almost all brand perk systems in India are automated now. If you don't set up your accounts beforehand, you won't get a single rupee's worth of perks. Before we reveal every outlet on the list, here are the 3 golden rules you must follow. First, sign up on brand apps at least 30 days before your birthday month. Second, create a dedicated rewards email address. And third, always carry a physical government ID for dine-in venues. Let's kick things off with free coffee. Starbucks India gives registered rewards members a free tall drink of their choice during their birthday month, provided you've spent at least 1,000 rupees on your account over the year. Third Wave Coffee also drops a free beverage coupon straight into your app account. Next up, IKEA Swedish restaurant inside their Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore stores gives IKEA family members a completely free slice of cake or pastry. You just need to be a registered IKEA family member with email notifications turned on. For dining out, Barbeque Nation brings a free customized birthday cake right to your table, complete with a live celebration song from the staff. You can also get a free scoop from Baskin-Robbins, free pancake stacks at IHOP, and free desserts at spots like Social and Hard Rock Cafe. For retail therapy, Sephora India offers a free mini deluxe beauty sample and double points during your birthday month for Beauty Pass members. Meanwhile, fashion brands like H&M and Westside send 15 to 20% discount vouchers directly into their loyalty apps. Looking for entertainment? Theme parks like Imagicaa offer free entry tickets on your birthday when accompanied by paying guest with valid ID proof. Arcades like Smaaash also deposit bonus credits or free bowling games for registered members. By spending just 10 minutes setting up these apps a month before your birthday, you can easily save thousands of rupees. Did we miss any local spots in your city? Comment them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart consumer hacks.